Shalom and Mazel Tov, Israel. Today is March 10th, 2021, here in Central Ohio. Get ready to run my daily report for the country of Israel. By the way, I will see you folks in October. I'll be going to Israel for 2 weeks in October of this year, okay? Anyway, welcome back, Israel. And again, I say welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel. A couple of very small requests. By the way, I did see all the 4 or 5 likes and shares yesterday. Thank you so much for those. But we need to step up. We need to step up our game here. What I need for you today is to click the subscribe button. Also click the share button. Share this report with one of your friends and one of your family members. That's all it takes to really get this channel to take off. Okay. Thanks so much for those likes and those shares. Let's run the report now. Now, as you may know, your vaccine program is going very well. It's over 50% now for people receiving a single dose. Let's see something here. You currently have 808,262 cases. And you can see this here. You know, it's interesting. We may be able to see the effects of the Covid-19 vaccine virus also on the cumulative totals, because the vaccine could lead to a flattening of the curve. That's interesting. Okay, but look at this mortality rate. If this is 1.5%, see, mortality rate is currently below, on average, 1.5%. And look at this nice decline down here in cases. Okay, each one of these bars represents the average number of cases for the previous 7 days. But look at this nice declining pattern here. What about death? Look at this nice declining pattern here. The last 2 weeks you did a slight, as we say, a tick up the last 3 weeks, but nonetheless you still have this nice long declining pattern there. What about deaths? Well, the trend, you got some volatility here, okay, but the trend is still below this number here, and these numbers are still below these numbers here. So I'm going to count that as a win-win, okay. What about deaths? Same thing with deaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks in a row, your deaths have finished below this spike up here. All right, so that's good news. Now, if we come over here, we look over here, monthly cases and monthly deaths. Okay, so that concludes the report for Israel for today. You can see your cases and your deaths are continuing to decline. We should start seeing the impact, I would say, of the COVID-19 vaccine certainly sometime this month, I would think. Okay, but that remains to be seen. Be sure to come back on Sunday where we'll be looking at a vaccine rollout report for the country of Israel. Okay, thanks so much, Israel. Shalom and Mazel Tov.